In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subscribe to real-time stock data on TradingView. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, having access to real-time data is a vital part of making informed trading decisions. So, let's dive in and walk through the process together, step by step. First, you'll want to start by logging into your TradingView account. Once you're logged in, direct your gaze to the top right corner of the TradingView platform. Here you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a drop-down menu with several options. What you'll want to select is either Explore Our Plans or Settings and Billing. Both options will lead you towards exploring TradingView's data packages. Now that you're in the right section, we'll need to focus on finding real-time data. In this menu, look for a section labeled Real-Time Market Data. It may have a button saying Explore Now or something similar. Clicking on this will present you with a variety of market data packages. Here's where you can begin to explore the options available to you for different global exchanges. This includes exchanges like NASDAQ, NYSE, and ARCA if you're interested in U.S. stocks. Take your time in making these selections, ensuring you choose the markets relevant to your trading needs. Once you've decided on the markets for which you want real-time data, it's time to confirm your choice. Follow the on-screen instructions, which will guide you through the purchasing process. For ease and flexibility, TradingView generally offers you the option to choose between monthly or annual payment plans for these data packages. Weigh the length of the commitment against your budget and choose the option that best suits you. There's an additional route to explore if you're already using a live brokerage account. Many brokers provide their clients with real-time data. Check if this might apply to you by verifying it on TradingView's platform. You can do this by connecting your brokerage account within the trading panel on TradingView. If your broker supports it, this might cover your needs without the necessity for a separate subscription. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to subscribing to real-time stock data on TradingView. This access enhances your ability to trade with precision and confidence as you can base your decisions on the most current market conditions. Remember to periodically review your subscription settings to ensure they align with your trading goals and market interests. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has been helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more trading tips and tutorials. Happy trading!